Hi, so I'm Puneet, a motivational blogger. Today is day 3 of 180 days blogging challenge, and today I'll be writing some content. So let's get started with it. So, to write some content, you have to see that if the people are searching for that type of content online or not. But you also want to write something that you feel you are expert in, or you can write better than the already articles published on Google or any other search engine. So, as we have discussed on the day one, I asked you like what are your expectations from your blog and why are you starting a blog? So as my answer was I was passionate about online tools, and also I want to educate people on how to improve yourself in life by building relationships with yourself, building better relationship with yourself, family members, and the people you love or admire. So for that, I'll be talking about writing on the some relationship topic. So let me search on Google like what are people searching for and what are the things that are people are looking to read and want solutions for. So let's get started with it. So now I have read a few articles, one or two articles, and I've come up with a keyword like how to improve relationship that the most of the people are searching for. And you can see like there are so many people searching for how to improve relationship with husband, wife, parents, friends, boyfriend, girlfriend, mother-in-law, mother, how to improve relationship between parent and child, how to improve relationship with others. So I can see there are a lot of people searching for improving their relationships. So that's a clue for me that I don't lie. And you can also see here, like in the after all the searches, you can see in the related terms as well, people are searching for the same things, as you can see here. So what I'm gonna do is out of all these options, I'm gonna pick those in which I feel confident because all of these have requirements. So what I'll do, I'll write it down some points here which are people searching for. So people are searching for these many things. So let me write few of them on the Excel sheet I have written over here. 1 second. So as I have written a few ideas here, there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 keywords here in which I will be picking this one, because I feel I am better of writing instead of other 5 options out here. So topic is relationship with girlfriend. I'm excited for this. Let's see how it goes. So now I have written over 200 words right now, and I'll be continuing writing that in the meantime, or in maybe in the tomorrow morning. And tomorrow we will publish our first article on our blog. So stay tuned for that. See you tomorrow. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a good day. Take care. Bye bye.